Okay, here we have a 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat with a 6.4. We just ran a catback 3-inch exhaust system out to some dual 4-inch black tips, as you can see here. Have no resonators in the rear or no mid mufflers, but it put some Walker race bullets in it just to take a little of the raspiness off of it. The drone put a True X pipe on it. It's all factory catalytic converters. It's going to wake it up, give it a mean rumble. Let's step back and let's see what it sounds like. Well, that'll blow your doors off and blow out your eardrums. Too close to it. Sounds pretty good. Just what the customer ordered up.